Hello everyone, so I finally got to taking the heads off of my 5.3 in my Jeep, and I got ready to put the cam in. I got excited. Then I finally realized, I looked at the pistons, they're flat tops, they're not dished, so that means it's not a 5.3, it's a 4.8. I got screwed over. I've thought long and hard about what I was gonna do, if I was gonna go buy another junkyard 5.3, if I was gonna do 6.0. Then I was talking to my buddy. He said, I have a 5.3 crank, I will trade you for the 4.8 crank. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna rebuild this engine, turn it from 4.8 to a 5.3, and I'm gonna keep the flat top pistons on it. I'm just gonna port the heads, put bigger valves in it, and throw in that Texas speed cam in it. So engine's out. Got it all taken apart, and I got the engine is I took it to the machine shop. I got brand new cam bearings put in. I got it honed. I got a magnet flux checked for cracks. Everything came out good. I just have waiting on the heads. The heads are getting ported. They're getting new valves put in, bigger valves, and I am putting the PAC springs on them as well. I'm just waiting on that, the crank, so I can order my bearings, main bearings, rod bearings, and I can start throwing this thing back together. I got all my parts. I got a whole bunch of parts here. Got my Texas speed cam. This is stage 3. I got new push rods. New push rods here. Got a whole bunch of parts just laying around. Head gaskets, oil pan gaskets, intake gaskets, rear main gaskets. I got new timing chain, new lifters. It's pretty much gonna be a brand new engine. I'm excited to put this thing back together. Want to hear it already. It's been waiting for these heads for about 3 weeks already. I don't know what's taking so long, but should be ready anytime, and can't wait for this thing to go back together. So I'll be giving you guys another update once I start putting this engine together, and hopefully it'll be soon, hopefully in the next week or two. And I look forward to hearing this Texas speed cam. Alright, see you guys later.